Coming to you with another tutorial. So I'm going to start today, everybody, by showing you again my favorite website here, which is
Geometry.
GeoGebra.
GeoGebra.
Now, what does it show us? It shows us
Circles.
Shapes.
It shows us, yeah, that
the measurements of the shape.
That it shows us that the angles across from each other are equal to each other, right? All right, and then we can change it to the other angle. That one's also equal. Does anybody remember the fancy math word for equal in geometry? Starts with a C. Congruent. Good job. Good job. Okay, and these angles are called what? Starts with a V.
Vertical.
Vertical. You knew that. All right. And then we know that those angles are equal. So if I actually pulled up numbers, this is the other GeoGebra we had, right? All the ones across from each other are always equal or congruent. All right. Now the next thing that we looked at a lot are these. What does this show?
Circles.
Complementary angles that add up to 90.
Supplementary, complementary. So complementary up here adds up to 90. We see these measures and everything. And then supplementary adds up to 180. They could be turned around though, right? Okay. Any questions about this? All right. We've got our C and our S trick too. Oh, I didn't put that on the other. And those of you that have the paper or the file that before I updated it, I changed number 7 because we need to have angles add up to 180 on there. So sorry about that. I don't know how I messed that up, but I missed it. So I might have 2 of these on the test too. I don't know. I have 2 of these and only 1 of these. I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right. So moving on. Are we ready?
Yeah, I get you.
We're ready.
Okay, so coming all the way from Dreamland is Mr. Sandman. Let's hear it from Mr. Sandman.
Tilted Towers.
What?
Tilted Towers.
From the towers.
Tilted Towers.
What's that from?
Fortnite.
Oh, it's from Fortnite. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in, I think. Okay, so what color do you want to use?
Green.
Green. All right. Now, oh, by the way, I have one more thing. So I already whited out these things. I don't know why the program does that. It gives extra lines. It's really obnoxious.
Yeah, I get you.
Like, it really shouldn't be like this. It should be the way I have it on your paper with these arrows.
You can fix it on the thing.
So we really don't need all those extra lines. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, no, yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, I get you.
All right, so let's do this now. Now it looks a little messy. All right. Come on. All right, go ahead.
So, since number 1 is supplementary and it equals to 180, you have to subtract 141 by 180.
Uh-oh. Sorry, sorry. And let me get I pushed it, it got on the screen, I had to push undo. Okay, I got it now. Sorry about that, supplementary. That means they add up to 180, so how do you do it again?
180 minus 141.
Do we agree, everybody?
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah. And we gotta borrow, and we get
39.
39. Okay,
B
let's hear it.
equals
Oh, wait. He's doing the next one. We can't clap yet. Okay. How about number 2? How do we do that one?
Since this one is complementary and it's a right angle. You know that because there's the square on the corner.
Yeah, I'm going to write that. This square is really important. This red square. That means 90. Right. If it doesn't say it's a right angle, or if it doesn't say it's 90, or if it doesn't have that square, we don't know. Just because it looks like it doesn't mean it is exactly. Wait. Go ahead, sir.
So now you do the same thing that you did with 1, but 53 minus 90.
You said it upside down, sorry. 90 minus 53.
90 minus 53.
Yeah, you subtract 53 from 90.
Which
Okay, is it 37? Is that what we have, everybody?
Yep.
Yeah, 37 is correct. All right. Okay, let's hear it. do you want, sir? Oh, I don't think I said his code name. He's Andrew Tate the second.
Let's go.
Andrew Tate the second. All right, what color do you want?
You got lava.
Lava? Okay, I guess we could do lava.
Where, Mr. Pat?
I don't know, is that lava? Oh, that's definitely not
That's
lava.
fire. That's
Oh,
great.
yeah, same thing.
Well, that's close enough, whatever it is. Okay,
What's the big one?
so what is this one?
Vertical.
Vertical angles, because they're across from each other. Very good. Okay, oops, I forgot my C. Oh, I spelled that completely wrong. Okay, go ahead. So, what's the answer?
82.
82, because the across are equal to each other. He's got it. All right. Very good, very good. Now, let's see. This is... Oh, Mickey Mouse from the clubhouse. Let's hear it. Okay, Mickey Mouse. So, what color do you want?
Red.
Red. Okay. All right, go ahead.
For number 4, it's a cube, and the type
Say it
of
one more time.
for number 4, it's a cube.
Acute, right. Sorry, I couldn't hear you from back here. It's acute because all of these angles are less than 90. See, the biggest one is here, and it's less than that L. You see it? Yeah, we totally see it. Okay, next one. What's the other name?
Oh, it's scalene.
Scalene. Now, why is it scalene? How can we tell, everybody?
Because of it's because of the 3 lines and
Right, these little lines tell us 1 does not match with 2, does not match with 3. So they're all different. That's what scalene means. All right, I appreciate everybody paying attention. All right. Everybody's doing a fantastic job. Okay, now we have just Alex.
oh
That was your name.
yeah.
Alex from Rebirth Islands? I don't even know where that is. Where's that from? Huh? Call of Duty? Okay. Alright, so number 5. Go ahead, sir.
So number 5 is gonna be obtuse.
Obtuse. That is excellent. Now, where is the obtuse angle? Is it the one up here? Is it the one down here? Is it the one over here?
It's the one because like the 2 corners are the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one is the obtuse? Which one is the big angle? So look up here. Look up here. Is it this one? Or is it this bottom one here? Or this other one, the third one? The really big angle.
It's the middle one.
Right, good job. It's the middle one. Exactly.
Yeah.
You knew it. So if you see a big angle like that, it's obtuse. Okay, other part is...
I forgot what it's called now.
Starts with an I.
Isosceles?
Isosceles. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's a hard word. That means 2 of them are equal. Okay. And how do we know? We can see that the 1 and the 1 match. But the other one does not match. Okay, number 6. Oh, wait. I must introduce this person. This person is the Goobler from Goobville. All right, Goobler. Go for number 6. What color do you want?
Let's just do blue.
Blue. Go ahead.
Number 6 is a right angle.
Yes, there's a right angle, so that makes it a right triangle. And then what else?
And it's isosceles.
So it's also isosceles. Because why?
Because the two other angles that aren't right angles are acute.
No, it's because these sides are the same.
Same thing.
Well, they have to be the same, not because they're acute. Because in a right triangle, they'll always be acute. But it might not be isosceles. Okay? All right. Let's see who's next. I need a code name. Code name is Andrew Tate. This is the original Andrew Tate
Yeah.
from the Valley. All right.
That's my son.
Okay. Okay, so Andrew Tate. Now we changed number 7 again from the paper. Here it is. All right. So how do we do this one?
So we're gonna add 95 to add 54.
95 plus 54, right? First we add the angles together.
And it's 149.
Okay. Correct.
And then I do 180 minus 149.
Very good. Let's find out what's left over. And we get 31. Am I right?
Yeah.
So this angle right here is 31. Now, do we remember how to check our answer to make sure it's right? How? How do we check our answer?
I remember.
Nobody remembers? Well, think about it. We need all these angles to add up to
180.
180. So we just test that. We just take all these three and we say, I wonder if they do add up to 180. So let's do that right now. So 54 plus 95, plus 31. So these should add up to 180. 9, 0, 1. Now the 9 and the 1 make 10, and 5 and 3 make 8. See? Okay, cool. Excellent job, excellent job, excellent job. Okay, I might have 2 of these on the test. I don't know how I forgot to put this on, but I might have 2 of those on the test. Number 8. All right, and we've got someone coming back. Alex again. Okay, Alex, good.
Alright, so you're gonna do your fraction is gonna be 3 over 36 and 9 over x.
Oh, you want to pick a color, by the way?
Oh yeah, sure. Still lava.
Oh, lava. Oh, okay. So we want to compare the smaller shape to the bigger. So the our numerators are going to be the smaller shape. So you said 3 over 36, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is equal to
9 over x.
9 over x. That's very good. So you see smaller over bigger.
Yeah.
Smaller over bigger. By the way, who was able to do that on their own? Yay. Okay.
And then you're gonna do 3 divided by 36, and that's gonna be 12.
Oh, so you're reducing first. Okay,
Oh.
so he reduced first. Or you want to do it just with looking at the shapes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
So going bigger is times 12. That's right. And so here, times 12 makes,
What?
how much does it make? How much is x here?
It's
You told me before.
36.
No, this one over here.
108.
Yeah, 108. Good.
Sir,
All right.
it's on his-
Now, but we can also do it this way. We can say, how many times bigger is this? Times 3. And how many times bigger does the bottom need to be? Times 3. And so 36 times 3 is also going to be 108. 18, 9, 108. Right?
Yeah.
So answer is 108, and we have that equation. Now, I'm probably not going to grade you off if you don't have the perfect equation. I know I was being hard on you with the homework, but or the assignment, but I'm not going to be too picky about that. All right. Really good job. Excellent job. All right, so we already did one like this, but I'm gonna do another one real quick. So going from 4 to 32, those two match. And then going from x to 64, those two match. Okay, so now we can do it 2 ways. We can look at the triangles first. That's one way to do it.
We can just times 32 by
Well, hold on. So we go, how many times bigger is that? Well, it's 8 times bigger, right? So times 8. So this also would need to be times 8. Or actually going backwards, divided by 8, right? So that means the answer is 8. But you can also do it this way. We can say, this is times 2, and this is also times 2. Let me do that a different color. Do you see how this works?
Yeah.
So there's 2 different ways to do this. Uh-oh. Times 2. I'll get it. All right, so let's see. Code name is. What is your code name? Oh, it's Lunar Moon. All right, let's hear it for the Lunar Moon. Or lunar coming from the moon? Which one?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. Okay, how do we do this?
So that would be 5x plus 1 equals 36.
5x plus 1 equals 36. Now, why? That's right. Why do they equal each other?
Because they're vertical.
Because they're vertical angles. That's excellent.
And
That's
then
excellent.
You
So
would,
see this, everybody? Anything that's vertical across from each other is is equal, is equal, is equal, is equal. Vertical is what? Equal. So then we do this. We do superstar, coser, extra. Okay, what do we get rid of first?
We have to subtract 1 from 1 and 36.
Right, so we subtract 1 from both sides. Okay, make sure this is on your paper, everybody. We've been practicing a lot of two-step equations, haven't we? Oop, I went ahead. Okay, what's next?
You divide 5x by 5 and 35 by 5.
That's right. Okay, equals to 7. All right, now we can check our answer for this too. How do we check our answer? Well, don't back up yet. I need to see your work. I need to see that you did. So we put 7 inside here, right? So it's going to be 5 times 7. See if this is true. Plus 1 equals 36. Is that true? 35 plus 1 equals 36. Yeah, it's true. Yay. All right, bye, YouTube.